Are you a college student looking to earn some extra cash? There are plenty of side hustle ideas that you can explore. From taking surveys on your phone to walking dogs in your neighborhood, the options are endless. But have you ever considered selling items online or becoming a rideshare driver? Today, we're diving headfirst into the realm of side hustles, tailored specifically for college students. As you navigate the complexities of academia, why not explore avenues to bolster your income and build your financial future? We'll be unraveling a treasure trove of tenacious side hustles, each ripe with potential to pad your pockets and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey through the world of lucrative opportunities tailored just for you. 1. Survey apps. Let's kick things off with a classic: survey apps. These nifty little platforms offer a straightforward way to earn extra cash without breaking a sweat. Simply download apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Survey Junkie, complete your profile, and start sharing your opinions. Market research companies are eager to hear what college students like you have to say about products and brands, and they're willing to pay for your insights. While you won't become a millionaire overnight, dedicating some free time to answering surveys can help cover your living expenses and then some. Keep an eye out for high-paying surveys and watch the dollars roll in. 2. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you're a pet lover with a soft spot for furry companions, why not turn your passion into profit? Pet sitting and dog walking present an excellent opportunity to spend time with adorable animals while padding your wallet. Whether you advertise your services independently or through platforms like Rover, setting clear boundaries and rates is crucial. Determine whether you'll offer in-house pet sitting or daily walks, and research local rates to stay competitive. By delivering exceptional service and catering to pet owners' needs, you'll carve out a lucrative niche in this some side hustle. 3. Food and grocery delivery. Got wheels? Then you've got a ticket to ride straight into the world of food and grocery delivery. Platforms like Instacart, Shipt, Uber Eats, and DoorDash offer flexible opportunities to ferry food and essentials to hungry customers' doorsteps. Whether you prefer picking groceries or delivering piping hot meals, these apps let you set your own hours and maximize your earning potential. Plus, with tips flowing directly into your pocket, delivering exceptional service translates to fatter paychecks. So rev up your engines and hit the road to delivery success. 4. Selling items online. One person's trash is another's treasure, and nowhere is this truer than in the realm of online selling. Whether you're decluttering your space or hunting for hidden gems, platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace offer a bustling marketplace for your wares. From secondhand treasures to brand new finds, there's a niche for every seller. Just be sure to factor in shipping costs and provide prompt, professional service to keep customers coming back for more. With a bit of savvy marketing and a keen eye for bargains, you'll turn clutter into cold, hard cash in no time. 5. Blogging and vlogging. Are you a wordsmith or a camera-ready charisma machine? Then consider diving into the dynamic worlds of blogging and vlogging. Whether you're passionate about fashion, finance, or furry friends, there's an audience eager to devour your content. Find your niche, create compelling content, and watch your audience and earnings grow. Monetization options abound, from affiliate marketing to sponsored content, offering multiple streams of income. Plus, with the potential for freebies and perks from brand partnerships, you'll enjoy the fruits of your labor, both online and off. 6. Rideshare driver. Got a reliable ride and a penchant for navigating city streets? Then why not hop on the rideshare bandwagon with Uber or Lyft? As a rideshare driver, you'll enjoy the freedom to set your own schedule and pocket-generous earnings with each completed trip. Whether you're ferrying passengers to their destinations or enjoying the camaraderie of the open road, ride-sharing offers a flexible and lucrative side hustle for college students. Plus, with tips flowing freely from satisfied riders, providing top-notch service is the key to maximizing your earnings potential. So buckle up and hit the road to financial freedom. 7. Photography. For the shutterbugs among us, photography isn't just a hobby. It's a lucrative side hustle waiting to be explored. Whether you're snapping shots of sunsets or capturing candid moments, your photos have the potential to earn you passive income online. Sites like Shutterstock and iStock Photo provide platforms to showcase and sell your stunning images to a global audience. Simply upload your photos, sit back, and watch as royalties trickle in with each download. With a knack for composition and an eye for detail, you'll transform your passion for photography into a profitable pursuit. 8. Babysitting. Are you someone who enjoys nurturing and caring for others? Babysitting offers much more than just a way to make some extra money. It's an opportunity to make a meaningful difference in the lives of children while also boosting your finances. Whether you're studying to become a teacher or simply have a natural affinity for kids, babysitting provides a flexible and rewarding side hustle option for college students. You have the freedom to set your own rates, and with the power of social media, you can easily spread the word about your services and attract interested parents. As you embark on this babysitting journey, you'll find yourself creating safe and engaging environments where children can learn and play, all while forming special bonds with them. The satisfaction of knowing that you're positively impacting young lives while earning money is truly priceless. So gather your favorite toys, games, and crafts, because with babysitting, every day is an adventure filled with laughter and learning. 9. Donatoplasma. Are you searching for an opportunity to supplement your income while also making a meaningful impact on others' lives? Look no further than plasma donation, a simple yet powerful way to earn some extra cash while contributing to the well-being of patients in need. This option is particularly appealing to college students who crave a flexible source of income amidst their busy schedules. At plasma donation centers, your time and contribution are valued, and you're compensated accordingly. By committing to regular screenings and donating plasma a few times each month, you're not just padding your wallet, you're directly influencing the lives of individuals who depend on plasma-derived therapies for their health. It's a symbiotic relationship where your altruism meets financial gain, creating a sense of fulfillment while also providing practical rewards. 10. Become a lifeguard. Whether you're a fish in the water or simply enjoy soaking up the sun, lifeguarding presents a golden opportunity to earn extra cash during the summer months. Local pools and community centers are always on the lookout for certified lifeguards to ensure the safety of swimmers. With your keen eye for danger and swift response skills, you'll become a beacon of safety while pocketing a tidy sum. And for the aquatically inclined, offering swimming lessons on the side can further bolster your earnings. So don your whistle, grab your sunscreen, and dive into the world of lifeguarding. As we draw the curtain on our exploration of side hustles for college students, it's clear that opportunities abound for enterprising individuals seeking to bolster their income. Whether you're answering surveys, snapping photos, or babysitting adorable tykes, the path to financial freedom is yours to carve. By harnessing your skills, passions, and entrepreneurial spirit, you'll transform idle hours into lucrative pursuits and lay the foundation for a prosperous future. So seize the side hustle spotlight, embrace the hustle, and watch as your bank account and your confidence soar to new heights. The world is waiting, and your hustle awaits. Thank you for tuning in to explore these 10 lucrative side hustle ideas for college students. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content on unlocking your financial potential. Join the Side Hustle Squad today, and let's hustle towards success together.